Okay, Crown Paints has been launching color applications on mobile and Android phones and smartphones to go to consumers more near and empowering customers to able to use the choice of colors for their homes. This is the most innovative solutions Crown Paints has brought in this market to make sure that each and every consumers can choose variety of colors, which is more than 1200 shades. And conventionally, in so many years, the paints being sold at hardware shops where accessible to shade card has always been an issue, and most of the shade cards, which is have more than 1,000 shades, are very expensive. It's not able to give to all consumers for small demand. But now every customers, every professionals, every interior designers can carry their smartphones, and they can download these applications on their phone, and they can able to use it. They can able to send the pictures to their friends. They can able to clients. Again, they can able to select the colors, and they can come with those colors, special colors, into our showrooms or into our shops or any consumer shops or our dealer shops, and can buy the colors. Earlier there was a difference in various off whites or maybe reds and blues, and you select the wrong colors. In suppose sometime you got summer blue and then dark blue, and the difference is there. And you go at home and you find the shade variations, how to do it now. So again you come back and you ask for the new colors, and it's sometimes very difficult and it's time consuming. But now people can choose a one color and able to decide, okay, I have used summer blue in my house, so every time when go and buy for additional requirement, he has a name and shade and code, so there won't be any variations of using the shades at home. Otherwise, many times the shade variation complaint is also will play very important roles to make sure to make customer happy. So now customer can choose the right colors. They can use WhatsApp, Facebook, all type of application. They can use it, and they can able to select the right colors for their home.